This has gone on a long time. This is going to cost a lot of money for the county, even moving forward.
But more than likely, it's something that's going to persist for quite a while.
New indictments, more trials, civil lawsuits, and back and forth things will continue to go for years, say experts. And for taxpayers and residents of McLennan County, that's not good news.
I think the average citizen is a little bit sick of hearing about these cases. And they're also fatigued with how much money they know that it is going to cost our county and our state. There are a lot of other things that we could be using this money for in our community, rather than just prosecuting people who maybe should have never been arrested in the first place.
Waco defense attorney Michelle Teagle is one of those who has been outspoken about the way the Twin Peaks tragedy was handled from the very beginning. And she says that will have a lasting effect for years to come.
It's not over. This is going to take a long time. That's very unfortunate because, you know, in many ways, justice delayed is justice denied for these people. It's already gone on long enough.
Dr. Ray Perryman, a renowned economist predicting future trends for years, and says millions of dollars spent on Twin Peaks could have been used elsewhere, and that hurts the future.
I want to pay taxes to get good roads. You know, I want to pay taxes to be safe. You know, I don't particularly want to pay taxes to kind of fix a situation that maybe could have been avoided in the first place. And I think we all feel that way.
Teagle agrees.
What if these resources had all been focused on the people who are now left standing? Where would we be? And what would be different? Would the people who are actually responsible already be known and have been found responsible, or would we still be waiting?
A new DA will be taking office in January, and promises of moving through the cases quickly have been made. Then civil cases will be litigated against the county. But Perryman says it would be useless to try and bankrupt the county.
You know, it would do no good to try to enforce a judgment that would bankrupt the county, because by definition there would be nothing to get.
So while it's all up to the courts to decide future cases that will drag on for years, Waco has actually boomed since the tragedy. Downtown has flourished.
When you say Waco, the first thing people think of is not Twin Peaks. Fortunately for us, the first thing people think of is Magnolia, Fixer Upper, and the Gaines.
So who would have thought that the Magnolia phenomenon would put McLennan County in such great financial shape in spite of Twin Peaks?
There's every indication right now that Waco is going to move forward in a very effective and solid manner going forward, and that's certainly been a big part of it. Has been the whole Magnolia phenomenon.